Employers, understanding the benefits and limitations of the Employee Retention Tax Credit. Hi, my name is Ross. At the end of this quick video, I'll give you the link to find out quickly if your business qualifies to receive this cash from the government. The Employee Retention Tax Credit was created to incentivize U.S. employers to keep their current employees on their payroll through the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security (CARES) Act. The tax credit helps employers offset the cost associated with keeping their employees on their payroll during a difficult economic period and provides some financial relief to employers who have faced more difficult challenges than usual while navigating the COVID-19 pandemic. The Employee Retention Tax Credit is available to all employers, regardless of size, especially those who have had to reduce their operations or suspend their businesses due to the pandemic. The credit is aimed at incentivizing employers to keep their current employees on their payroll, even if their business has been affected. In essence, the Employee Retention Tax Credit allows employers to reduce their tax liability by up to $7,000 per employee. The benefits to employers are the obvious, filling their payroll with retained employees, but there are some limitations to the Employee Retention Tax Credit which employers should be aware of. First, the credit is only eligible to employers who have experienced a cutback in their operations or services due to the pandemic. Employers must be able to demonstrate that their business has been impacted and that there is a direct correlation between the pandemic and the decrease in their business operations or services. In addition, only wages paid after March 12, 2020, are eligible for the credit. Although the credit encourages employers to keep their employees, employers should ensure they are not paying more than they need to in wages. For example, if an employee has been laid off and can be replaced by a less experienced, lower-paid employee, the credit will not apply. Additionally, the credit does not extend to wages paid to an employee who was hired after March 12, 2020. Furthermore, employers should be aware of the varying types of payments that are eligible for the credit. The credit only applies to wages paid to employees for providing services. This includes, but is not limited to, bonuses, health care, and vacation pay. Furthermore, all wages that are paid to an employee, including bonuses and reimbursements, must be counted when calculating the credit amount. Finally, employers should understand the time frame they have to estimate their credit amount. Eligible employers have until the end of the calendar year to estimate their credit amount. However, employers can begin claiming the credit as early as the date they become eligible. All in all, the Employee Retention Tax Credit is an invaluable resource that employers can look to when thinking of ways they can reduce the cost of their payroll in these trying times. Employers should ensure they take full advantage of the credit. However, they should be aware of the limitations of it as well. By understanding the benefits and limitations of the Employee Retention Tax Credit, employers can make the most out of their efforts to retain their employees. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. To find out in just a couple of minutes if this is something that you should probably pursue, go to refundablecash.com. Good luck.